Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In this video, I'm going to talk about a screen recording software called OBS, that is Open Broadcaster Software. It is available for free and it is an open source software. So you just want to Google OBS software download and go to the link obsproject.com and you can select the operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux, and you just want to select 32-bit or 64-bit so that you can download this. And once if you download, you can see this, the file size is around 72 MB. That's it. So, and install this. Once if you install the software, you can see something like this. So this is the home screen of this software. Once if you open this software, you can see this. And now if you want to capture your window, your complete screen, so you need to click here. So here this is scene one, at least one scene is mandatory or compulsory. You can't delete this, and you can have multiple scenes. You can add multiple scenes by clicking here. See this, you can add scene 2, scene 3, and as of now I'm not doing this. So the main thing is about sources. So here you see this option is already I have selected, because now currently I'm recording using this display capture. And if I want to add anything extra, you need to click here, this plus mark, and you can see these are all the available options, like color source. So as of now we are using display capture, so it is capturing my whole screen. And you see this video capture device, and you might have seen a lot of YouTube videos that they will have a video over here, right, in the corner somewhere. So you can add a video, and if you want to capture a particular window, you have you are presenting and you have got multiple windows, but you want to capture only one particular window. In the sense, you can use this window capture, which goes like this, and you can click here and it is going to ask which window. See, this is my browser window, right? So you can specifically focus on a particular window if you use this option. Alright, so, and if you don't want this one, you can remove this, like I'm gonna delete this Windows capture, or you can hide this one using this, this icon is there, right? You can click on that, or you can remove it. Just right click and remove. Yes. Okay, now so after opening this software, after adding this one, okay, display capture, now I want to record. So you can see these options here, over here. So start stream, so currently it is recording. So at the beginning it will show start recording, and now if you want to stop, I can click here, and this is virtual camera. And studio mode is that you will be getting options like this. You can play around with this, and the main thing is we don't want to do any changes. The first thing is you need to add display capture if you want to record your screen. And I'm just using my laptop inbuilt microphone. I'm not using any external microphone and all. I'm just speaking in front of laptop and it is recording everything. Alright, so the main thing is about settings. You just click on settings and go to output. So, and this is what your recording path. So after recording, once if I click this stop recording, so it is going to save my file in desktop. I have selected desktop. You can change this one. So this is important, and or else by default it will get stored in videos. I mean, see windows, your users and videos. And over here you can select this one, high quality, medium size file. There are three options, like high quality, maximum file size. But if you do that one for a 10-minute or 20 minutes video, you will be getting around 800 to 900 MB file size. So that is very difficult to upload into your YouTube, and it is difficult to edit also using video editor. So it will take more time, that's what, but the quality will be very good. If your PC is configured with 8 GB of RAM and latest processor, then you can go for it. And here you can select MP4 as a format, and there are a lot of formats, but it is better to select the format called MP4. Alright, so these are the things you need to change here. And over here in video, yeah, and this is the thing, that is base resolution and output resolution. You just put this one into 190 into 1080, and output also in the same thing. By default this output won't be given. You need to change, you need to click here and you need to change. As of now it is recording, so I couldn't change, but it is good to have a high resolution like this. So these are the two changes you have to do. One is this video, and another one is here output. Alright, so that's it. So once you are done, then no need to change any things from this general and all. By default you can leave all these things, and hotkeys also there. You can have a shortcut, but what you can do is basically when I start this application, I'll simply click, I'll just check whether my voice is fluctuating here or what, my mic is working or what, and I'll simply click start recording, and I'll minimize this. Or else you can right click here and you can start recording. You can click here start recording or stop recording. Then what I do is I'll go to my browser if I want to expand something, or if I open PowerPoint, something like this, then I'll keep on going forward. And once if I done, then I'll just right click here and I'll stop my recording. So you see this, I'll be going to show you a sample. That is, so this is what my PowerPoint, and I'm gonna explain in this way. So it will capture your entire screen, so no issues. Okay, so now this is actually recorded. I'm gonna minimize this, and I'll show you one more option. That is, if I want to show my face in the corner of the screen, then you need to click here and go to video capture device. My webcam is having some issue, so I think I'm not going to get this, but I'm showing you how to do this. So click OK, and this is what. So you can select integrated webcam is your laptop's default webcam, and OBS virtual camera is also available. And this is if you have installed any third-party applications, it will be showing you. So now the thing is, you need to click OK, and once if you do this, your laptop camera will get switched on. You can see that light got turned on, but now you can't see this. And there are few options like deactivate, activate, and you can configure video, like you can adjust this brightness, contrast, all these things once. So if you click this one, once if you select the camera, it will be showing you the preview here. So according to the preview, you can adjust all these things. Alright, camera control and these brightness and sharpness, all these things. Okay, so and even here you can, if you are trying to change this custom options, here you can mention the resolution and all these options, like which resolution you want, 640 into 480 and all. Put it in the maximum mode, or else you can go with a defaults. Just click defaults here, yeah. And once all these settings got done, click OK, and you see this here, your face will get displayed. As I said that my webcam is having some issue, so I couldn't, but this is the way that you can. So wherever you go, and even if you present your PowerPoint or whatever it is, so your video will get displayed over here in the corner, and you can adjust this one anywhere in the top left or anywhere like this. That is fine. Okay, so and if it is not displaying, then what you want to do is if you're opening PowerPoint but it is not displaying over there, in the sense, then you need to arrange this one into the order you have to set. So move to top, so which means that this will be always in top. Fine. And also if you want to add any image, you can add those things, like just click OK, and you can select browse the image like a background, and do like this. So you can have image in the corner if you are into any presentations and all, so your brand name will get displayed. So these are the options you can do with this. And the next one is that if you want to stream, if you want to go for YouTube streaming, live streaming, so what you can do is here you see the option is start streaming. So now if I click this start stream, okay, so it is going to connect. I have done all the settings. You see this, it is recording and it is showing live. And now I just want to go to my YouTube. I have kept these things unlisted, and once, yeah, you see this, it is showing live for 10 seconds. The one thing is you need to have the connection, excellent connection. Sometimes, because of using mobile internet, you will end up with some disconnection, and always it will keep on disconnecting. So you need to have a good connection. So this is the way you can stream online, and you can share this link to the students, or just want to go to stream settings. Yeah, so this is the one. So stream URL. So you can share these things, and the people can view your live streaming things. So the thing is, once if you do live stream, and all these things will get stored in your YouTube in the video section. Later you can view it, and you can post it also. Like after the live session, you can post the video. The people can watch your video again and again. So all right, make sure that you have selected this privacy. I mean, it should be public so that everyone can watch. Now, as of now, I have selected unlisted. Only the people whom I share this link, they can watch this. All right, or you can, for demo purpose, you can try private also. But how to do this setting? You see this, first you need to go to youtube.com, and here you can see an option called go live, right? So once if you click this, you will land up in this page, studio.youtube.com video, and some key will be there, and live streaming, right? So what you want to do is so this is your stream key. So make sure that this should be confidential, and copy this over here. And what you want to do is you need to go to OBS, and go to settings, go to stream, paste your key here, and select YouTube or YouTube gaming. There are a lot of options available. If you want to stream YouTube online, then you can do this, and select primary YouTube ingest server, and that's it. Click OK. So if you have not changed the key, then no need to do this settings again and again. This is just one-time setting, and click apply here, and OK. You see this, apply and OK. Yeah, that's it. So once these settings are done, you can click start streaming. Once if you click this, it will be showing you over here, it is live, and you see these seconds are running, and it is recording as well, which means that this recording will get stored in my PC, because here it is, I have a recording here, and a copy will get stored in my PC, and also I'm streaming now, so which means that my video will get streamed in YouTube, and also once if I done streaming, I'll be getting a video over there also. Once the recording got stopped, you see that I'm gonna show you a video, which see that a video got created here, and this is the video. A recorded video looks like this. So these are all the options we have done, and things are done. This is the audio video that starts, which I've been showing you, and Keynotes. And today, these are all the so I'll just drag this video into a video editor, and I'll be editing this. So these are the basic settings required whenever you are recording your screen. Hope you like this video, and if you have got any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to assist you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, RK Keynotes. Thank you, and thanks for watching the video.